2013 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, CD player, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, SIRIUS Satellite Radio, Uconnect hands-free group, overhead console, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.